banana frites. So guys, I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious banana frites. Hey guys, welcome to Diana Creatives, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing on the red button down below. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment on anything. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first one to know it. So I'm just getting prepared by just wearing my apron, and remember to wash your hands. We shall need bananas, flour at least 125 grams. I did not weigh. We shall also need at least 1 egg for 125 grams. We shall also need 1/4 liter of milk. We shall also need salt for seasoning and also sugar. So the first step is you sieve the flour. So the reason of sieving the flour is so that we can incorporate air into the flour. You then break an egg in a separate bowl. This is to ensure that the egg is fine and is okay. Yeah. So once you're done with that, you make a hole in the middle of the flour. This is where we shall put all our ingredients, starting with the eggs. Then we mix with the milk. Salt, a pinch of salt. Then you start mixing it gradually from the middle going outwards until it forms a thin paste. You can add milk if you see that there's need. So to make it simple, you can use a whisk to do the work. So my mixture is already done. You can see the texture. It should be like that, not too thick and not too thin. So this is the fun part where we add sugar. So you add sugar according to your taste. Yeah, if you like too much sugar, add too much sugar. If you don't like too much sugar, add little sugar. Yep. Mix again. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. So our paste is done and we shall be getting ready for the next step. I hope you remember bananas were part of the ingredients, and I'm going to show you how we shall be using bananas in this process. So you just peel off the bananas, then slice it into small circular parts, just as I am doing. So once you're done with that, you put your chopped bananas into the paste that we had made, and then you mix it thoroughly such that each and every part of the chopped banana is covered with the paste. And please don't smash, just ensure they are just circular and they're full. So I'm switching on my heat, and when the sufuria is hot, I'll put in my oil in the sufuria. Yep. So once again, I'm here to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this content, please hit the like button and also share to your friends. Don't forget to comment on anything and many more. We may continue to watch. So once the oil is hot, you can pick a banana with a spoon with a little paste around it, then place it in the oil carefully. So these are my cooking banana frits. So they should be golden brown for you to remove them. So the banana frits are already cooked. So I'm just going to remove them from heat so that they can't overcook. I'm going to place them on a serviette. This is to help the excess oil to get drained so that you cannot eat the excess fat. So this is my final product. I assure you, this is very sweet. You can eat it with tea, you can eat it with anything. It can be a little time snack. The banana is inside that coating. Yeah, it's very sweet, it's very refreshing, and many more. Yes, so here we are once again. So I want to show you where the banana is. The banana is in the middle, and I assure you it's very sweet. The combination is just wonderful. Just give it a try. I hope you enjoy making this recipe. So see you next time on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment. Bye bye.